Hello everybody and welcome to my next episode. This is Thulane Molefe. I am your life coach and NLP practitioner. Before I get to today's subject, please do like on the button below. You can also click the notification button so that you can get all my videos as and when I upload them. So today, there's a technique I would like to share with you, a technique that I know is valuable and will allow you guys to generate solutions and problems and see more opportunities than problems in your life. Because we do live in that time where problems are sort of much more normal than not having problems. So what is that technique called? It's called reframing. Reframing is a very effective technique, guys, in being able to find solutions. All right, I'm going to give you an example because I do believe that every problem, guys, in fact, there are no problems in life, there are only lessons learned. It's really about how you frame it. Do you see it as a problem or you see it as a lesson? What do you see it as? Do you see it as a Goliath that is going to kill you, or you see it as something that you can work on bit by bit? So let's discuss further. In reframing, I'm going to give you an example. Lately, a lot of people are having financial problems. It's tough, it's rough, right? And because of the economy is just collapsing, there's a lot of change happening in the world, even in our workplaces, and that obviously does affect our lives, our families, our relationship to that extent. On the grassroots, it affects everybody because it is a global shift. I don't know what it is, but it is happening. So what can we do? Let's reframe a financial problem. Here's someone who's coming to me in a consulting coaching session. Thulane, I have a problem. My finances are falling apart. I don't know where to begin. I have a lot of debts. I am so frustrated. I've tried talking to people and no one is helping me. You see, this person is presenting problems, more and more problems. This person is also presenting himself with the feelings of guilt, which is one of the, one of the negative command centers you don't want to work from. So in any situation, you must always work from a positive place, right? Get yourself encouraged, get yourself feeling positive, then begin to do the work that you need to get or to attain your goal. So if a person comes in that instance, there's problems and problems and problems. Then the question becomes, how can we then reframe that financial problem? Can reframe because every problem speaks. As I've said, every problem has a lesson, so it's all lessons. Maybe we can begin by saying, we are aware, I'm aware, I acknowledge that this is a problem that you have. It's been, it's been existing for this long. If it's been a year, it's been a year. If it's 2 years, it's been 2 years. Then the question becomes, what lessons have you learned? Right, now we are unpacking what is actually happening here. What lessons have you learned? What is this problem teaching you, or what is it telling you? If you were to sit down and listen or talk to it, so in talking to your problem, what are we trying to do there? We are doing what we call disassociating. So you don't want to become part of the problem structure, whatever the problem looks like. You don't want to become part of that drama, right? So you disassociate and have a conversation with that problem, with that financial problem, or with that financial challenge. You talk to it. What are you telling me? What are you teaching me? And you write down all those lessons. In you doing that, I'm telling you, your mind will begin to think differently because you are now not thinking from a negative command center or from a negative state, but you've tapped completely into a positive state of mind in the way that you reframed your problem. And then also you may also want to reframe your financial problem by saying, I've been having this problem for this long, and if I were to teach someone to have this problem or to make the mistakes that I've made instead of feeling guilty, how would I teach that person? You then jot down, you tell this person, do this, overspend on this, do that, and go out a lot, do a lot of shopping, buy unnecessarily things. You write down. Now you are teaching someone those problems. Now, how to not have those problems? That would obviously mean eliminating all those behaviors, right? It would mean eliminating all those behaviors you would have written down as lessons for a person to, or as you're teaching a person to have the same problems that you have. if it's a financial problem. So you can use this technique, guys, in any situation, because as I've said, there are lessons in everything. So no need to be frustrated, no need to be depressed, no need to be hopeless. Never work from a place of fear, never work from a place of negativity, right? Reconstruct your problem, reconstruct it, make it look like, you know what, it's something else or it's someone else. Don't make it to be what it is, because it is actually an opportunity for you to stretch, to think, to realize how potential you are, or are able to solve your problem. It can even give you actually problem solving skills. In you doing that, you are actually developing your problem solving skills, so that you are able to solve future problems, so that you are able to take care of other businesses in future that may, present with the same challenges or the same feelings. So guys, this is how you can quickly solve your problem. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll come back and talk about, because this goes deeper, guys. It goes to unhealthy beliefs versus healthy beliefs. Thank you. Love you.